cleansing, toning and moisturizing is the most basic and important step. But are you among those who keep on forgetting or who get bored to tone your face after each face wash? So this product is specially for you. Keep watching. Hello my beautiful YouTube family, welcome to another vlog. Today's review is over a product which is from Artistry. This is Essentials by Artistry Gel Cleanser. What I love about this product is that this is having 2-in-1 formula. It cleanses and tones your face in just single wash. So isn't this amazing? You don't need to apply any toner after this. What I love about Artistry is that all their products, they contain some amount of botanical ingredients. The hero ingredient in this is Acerola cherry extract, which is having highest source of vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant on your face. Also, this product contains cucumber. Cucumber has soothing and calming property on your face. What I love also is that these products are sulfate and soap-free products. If you talk about the benefits of this product, I have already mentioned I really love their concept of 2-in-1 cleansing and toning in one single face wash. That it actually saves your time and money. You don't need to invest in any other toner product because this does the part. The second property that it does is that it actually removes your makeup dirt from clogged pores without over drying your skin, and also it maintains the pH balance of your face. Along with Acerola cherry extract, this also contains witch hazel and white willow bark. Now these two ingredients, these two botanical ingredients, what they do is they actually reduces the appearance of the pores on your face, that they actually do the toning part on your skin. And also this contains aloe vera and licorice. These two has anti-irritant property. So in and all, this is a beautiful botanical ingredient product and also cleanses and tones in one single step.
If you check out the consistency of this cleanser, as the name says, gel cleanser, it is gel-like white in color, and when you rub it between your hands, you will notice it will not lather much, indicating it is soap-free.
If you talk about the packaging of this product, it comes under plastic tube. This is a 125 ml product and it is mentioned it is a gel cleanser. Nowhere they have mentioned that this is 2-in-1 product. It also tones your face. Otherwise, everywhere in the description of this gel cleanser, they have focused that this is a 2-in-1 product. But on the front side of the tube, they should also mention, I feel from my personal experience, so that the customer will get better idea that this is a 2-in-1 gel cleanser as well as toner. Back and side, they have given the complete list of ingredients, which is a very good part, and how to use this product. That is the direction they have given. It is like a normal gel cleanser where you have to wet your hands, wet your face, take adequate amount of this product onto your hands, lather it and then wash your face. This will remove your makeup as well as excess oil and dirt and clogged pores. Now, Artistry products, they are usually sold by Amway sellers. But nowadays, all the Artistry and the Amway products you will find online on online portals, various portals. They are nowadays doing the selling, and all the description, all the links I will mention in the description box below. This is 125 ml product which comes for around 1300, that is 1295 rupees. But lately I have gone through various online portals where you will find this gel cleanser for around 1000 rupees. I will give you all the description in the box below, and you can purchase this for around 1000 rupees. Finally, I will like to conclude that if you're new into skincare regime or you are confused which toner to buy for your oily or dry skin, or you do not believe and you're a little bit on a lazy side, that do not like this 3-step, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing, you can always invest in such products which will cleanse as well as tone your face in just one single step. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like and share. Bye bye.